Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WhatsApp business chats using Google Drive Backup easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your WhatsApp business app on your smartphone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, tap on Chats. Now, find and select Chat Backup. Here, you will see the option to backup your chats. Tap on Backup to Google Drive. You will be prompted to choose a backup frequency. Select your preferred backup frequency from the options provided. If you want a backup immediately, tap on Backup. Next, choose the Google account you want to use for the backup. If you haven't added an account yet, tap on Add Account and follow the instructions. Once your Google account is set, you can choose whether to include videos in the backup. To include videos, simply toggle the option to On. After setting your preferences, tap on Backup to start the process. The backup may take a few moments, depending on the size of your chats. Once the backup is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Your WhatsApp business chats are now securely backed up to Google Drive. You can restore this backup whenever you reinstall WhatsApp Business in the future. Make sure to keep your Google Drive storage in mind for future backups. That's it. Your WhatsApp business chats are safely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.